so I'm here on this roof giving an estimate, and it looks like very interesting actually. If you look around here, there's different companies have been here. This is part of this building too over here. So this one actually started to look kind of nice, you know, kind of look kind of neat, a little bit neat. Also a little impressed. And I'll tell you right now what unimpressed me. Everything looks pretty good, except I don't understand what's going on here. This is flashing, then it goes up, and the platform cover is going inside the flashing. That just smells like trouble to me. And the whole reason they're replacing these platforms is because they're replacing the roof. So yeah, all the way around. But let me show you some more interesting stuff. These units, I don't know if you can tell, but the old units were here, and they were instead of right return, they were left return, so they couldn't connect a new one right here. Instead they put the new one, well, this one is not that new anymore, on 4x6s. I'm assuming it's treated lumber or redwood, and then they just cap this side and then cut into the backs, which I guess for them it seemed acceptable. I don't know. I think it looks kind of, oh, what's this? There's a little fresh air. But that's what's happening here. I wanted to show you guys the quality installations that happen here in California. Here's another one. I guess this is either the same, no, this one's a copycat. This one, I think, or that one. No, I think this one's a copycat. Same deal, nothing new to show you, except at least they used wow, look at that. I just saw that. There's holes in this platform. So these are supposed to be roofed, I guess, and they're not roofed. I mean, these units could sit on the platforms like that. That's how they're meant to sit on these platforms. But it just, I mean, you have all those holes there. The water just sits in there. And I know that there's no penetration through the roof right there, but you don't want water going in that roof and just sitting there. So this is the one that I'm quoting. So I'm still thinking about it, but I'm probably just going to cut these right about there, and then just put new plenums going this way, and then just like dovetail the bottoms to the new plenums, and then I'll put the new platform right here in this area. Redo all the gas. Like some of these guys, they didn't even redo the gas. See, they just use the same old stuff. That's the same old stuff. They even took out the old pipe probably, or they use black pipe. You should use galvanized if you don't want it to rust. The drain there's no supports, but I guess it doesn't matter because they're gonna re-roof and they're gonna take them off anyways. But yeah, I wanted to show you. See the same gas pipe. I mean, the least you could do is like spray it with galvanizing compound and see if that at least dress it up a little bit. Might slow down the rusting or stop it. These guys did replace the pipe, but they left it just black. You can see it's already rusting right here. Now you can see that. Let me see if I can focus. See, it's already rusting because they didn't use galvanized. You can tell. See, this is galvanized. This old piece, not galvanized. So all this is already rusting. Looks like that might have been from their truck just sitting around. Sometimes they get rusty like that when you have black pipe. But see, it's so disappointing. It was starting to look so neat and pretty, and then I noticed the details. But there's platforms here because I guess they're gonna put this. Maybe the roofers are gonna put that platform there. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I wanted to show you one last one, which is the far end one over here, which is another impressive one. Where is it? So your low voltage wire doesn't reach, no problem. Add some more. and then put some electrical tape for your low voltage wire. So the drain, I guess, was no longer good. But I'm trying to figure out what these guys did. I'm not sure if they just disconnected the metal and turned it around, or this is new metal. It looks old. And the unit looks old, but not that as old as that metal. Anyways, comment below, let me know what you guys think about these really impressive installations. It's not to say they're from California.